Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As promised, I've created my birthday makeup look, and if you'd like to see how I created it, please carry on watching. But before we head on to this tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel up here or down below, and let's get into it. Firstly, I'll go in with Urban Defense Complexion Primer to prime my skin for foundation. Then I'll go in with Urban Decay's All Nighter foundation in the shade 2.0. You'll see that it might come across that it's a little bit lighter for my skin, but it does oxidize and warm up to the shade needed. Let's go on to brows. I'm using Colourpop's brow gel in the shade Dope Taupe. I will link my brow tutorial in the right hand corner for you to watch. I'm using the JACLYN Yields palette from MORPHE, and I'm absolutely obsessed with this palette. I'm going in with this light transition shade to create a crease. Then I'm going in with a darker shade as indicated to blend out the crease area. Going back in with a dark brown shade to darken the crease area. Then I'm cutting the crease area with the Colourpop No Filter Concealer in the shade Fair. And we will now be cutting the crease to create a cut crease look. After cutting the crease, I will be going back in with JACLYN Yields palette with the dark brown again on the outer corners of the eye. Then I'm going in with this gorgeous shimmery color in the center of my eye. Going back to my JACLYN Yield palette using black to darken the outer corner of my eyes. Now I'm ready to conceal my face using Colourpop's concealer in the shade Fair number 5, and I'm using my lovely beauty blender to blend it all out. For the inner corners of my eyes, I'm using Catrice's highlighting pen. After that, I'm going in with Urban Decay's Heavy Metal Glitter Liner in Midnight Cowboy to intensify the crease area. To highlight my brow bone, I'm using the NYX Contour and Highlight Palette's shimmery color. I did my wing liner off camera, and I'll link a link to that tutorial in the right hand corner. I applied lashes off camera, and I'll also link a link to that in the right hand corner. To buff out my waterline area and smoke it out, I used all the exact colors used previously. Going back in with my NYX Highlight and Contour Pro palette, I'm using this dark shade to contour my cheek area. Hands up in the comments section down below if this is how you also check whether your foundation matches your neck. I'm using MAC's Blush in Stay Pretty to add some color to my face. To highlight, I'm using MAC's highlighter in Soft and Gentle. Then I'm using Tarte's Mascara for my lashes. For my lips, I'm using Essence Eyebrow Pencil in Plum It Up. I'm just obsessed with this lip shade. And finally, I'm using Urban Decay's Makeup Setting Spray in Chill to set my makeup in place. Thank you so much for joining me and watching this tutorial. And if you try this makeup look, please tag me in on all social media platforms on Facebook, Instagram, so I can see how you guys created it. And if you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye! It was a birthday. It was a birthday too. turned 8 on the 8th. Isn't she Mr. Cute?